Hello everyone, welcome to series on Indian polity. And today we will discuss some facts about Constituent Assembly. Firstly, we will deal with the demand for Constituent Assembly. Emin Roy in 1934 put forward the idea of Constituent Assembly for the first time. In 1935, for the first time, Indian National Congress officially demanded Constituent Assembly. Then Jawaharlal Nehru, on the basis of Indian National Congress, declared that constitution must be framed without outside interference. For that purpose, a resolution was passed to give effect to that thing in 1939. In 1940, the demand was accepted by the British government, which is known as August Offer. In 1942, Stamford Cripps came with the draft proposal for independent India, and that was proposing the formulation of Constituent Assembly. But the idea was rejected by Muslim League, and Muslim League was looking for two separate constituent assemblies for enactment of the constitution of two states. In 1946, cabinet mission was sent to India to formulate the Constituent Assembly. What was composition of Constituent Assembly? In November 1946, the Constituent Assembly was formulated with 389 members, out of which 296 seats were allotted to British India that were later elected through elections in July-August 1946, and Indian National Congress won 208 seats in those elections. 73 seats were won by Muslim League, and remaining 15 seats were gone to small and independent groups. 93 seats were allotted to princely states that was not a part of elections. Working of the Constituent Assembly. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on 9th December 1946, and it was attended only by 207 members, as the Muslim League boycotted the meeting and insisted on separate state of Pakistan. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was elected as a temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly. On 11th December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly. On 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru moved the objective resolution that contained ideals and objectives to be achieved by the Constitution and independent India. On 22nd January 1947, a resolution was unanimously adopted by the Constituent Assembly with respect to the objective resolution, and later this objective resolution was converted into preamble of the Constitution. The Constituent Assembly performed the following functions. The Constituent Assembly adopted a national flag on 22nd July 1947 and ratified India's membership of the Commonwealth Nations in May 1949. The Constituent Assembly also adopted national anthem and national song on 24th January 1950, and on the same day elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as President of India. The Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to enact the Constitution, as it consulted more than 60 constitutions of the world to draft Indian Constitution. Thank you for watching the video. Please do comment in the comment section if there is something left, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel.